Hello everyone and welcome to this series of Complete WordPress Beginner's Guide. In this series, I am going to introduce you to WordPress, which is one of the most popular website building tool in the world. So whether you are starting a blog, an online store, or a business website, WordPress can help you get started quickly and easily. So what is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system, or CMS for short. It is a tool that allows you to create, manage, and modify content on your website without needing to know how to code. So talking about why do we use WordPress? Well, there are several advantages, but the most important one is that about 43.4% of all the website globally uses WordPress. Apart from popularity, there are various other advantages that makes it so cool. First of all, it is easy to use and we can build website using it even if we don't know how to code. Secondly, it provides us with various customization options using which we can make the complete look and feel of the website matches our requirement. Apart from that, we can add various functionalities to it, like adding e-commerce functionality or simply adding a live chat feature in just few clicks. Then we can make our website SEO friendly, which will help it to rank higher in search engine. Lastly, it has a great community support. So if you get stuck anywhere on your journey, then you can easily find the solution for it in the WordPress community. So now let's talk a bit about WordPress.com versus WordPress.org. WordPress.com is a hosted service that takes care of all the technical aspects of running a WordPress site, including hosting, backups, and security. It is a good option for beginners or those who want a hassle-free experience. However, it comes with some limitations in terms of customization and control. On the other hand, WordPress.org is a self-hosted version of WordPress. This means we can find and install it on our web service, and we can also install it locally on our system, and it provides us with lots of various customization options, and basically we don't have any limit and we can achieve anything that we want. So in this series, we are going to use WordPress.org and set up everything and learn it completely from scratch. You will learn how to set up a website both locally and on the cloud. We will cover how to create and manage blogs and posts, how to customize the website to look exactly like our brand. Next, we will explore building an e-commerce platform similar to Amazon and Flipkart. We will include features like adding products, managing details, taking payments, and other e-commerce aspects. We will also learn how to make our website SEO friendly to rank it higher on Google. And lastly, we will learn how to secure our websites from hackers. So if all this excites you, then be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming lectures.